Listen carefully, because when everybody is against you, when they stop believing in you, it becomes a lonely place. And yes, it hurts. It hurts deeply. I know exactly what that feels like. They look at you with that quiet judgment, and they say, "Why don't you try something else? Why don't you just give up?" But hear me clearly. You must distance yourself from people in your life who do nothing. Distance yourself from those who hate, who doubt, who hold you back. Get away from them. Get away from all of them. You see, if you take an oak tree seed and place it in a 2-foot pot, that seed will never grow into the oak tree it was designed to become. Not because the seed is weak, but because the environment is too small. Understand this: there is nothing wrong with the seed. It simply fell victim to the environment. So do not, under any circumstance, let your environment dictate the oak tree you grow into. Anytime you move from normal to exceptional, people will resist. Your ambition exposes their comfort. Your discipline highlights their excuses. So they judge, they mock, they label you. And that's why real leaders get called weird, eccentric, strange. Leadership never fits inside the box common people live in. So become strong in your own skin. Strong enough that when people laugh, when they criticize, when they throw stones, you keep moving forward. Respect the journey. I respect any man or woman who wakes up every single day and works relentlessly to build their life. Clubbing, partying, wasting time, that is not for me. While others are out in the nightlife, you are out in the heat, running, training, focused. Don't expect people to understand your path. Don't expect it to make sense to them. They'll say, "This is a good job. I'm going. They pay you well. I'm going. Why? I don't understand." You don't need them to understand, because you're doing this for you. This is something you must do. How are you going to make it? I don't know, but I will. I absolutely will. Because the universe responds to the man or woman who refuses to be denied. That business you imagine, the book you want to write, the dream you have of controlling your destiny, these things belong to you. They are available to you. But you must be willing to face disappointment, stand without support, feel alone, doubt yourself, get rejected again and again, lose everything if necessary, and still refuse to turn around. Because life, to a very large extent, is what you make it. Not what circumstances dictate, not what people predict, not what the environment suggests, but what you create. When you choose to be uncommon, prepare yourself. Prepare for criticism. Prepare for opposition. Prepare for misunderstanding. If I choose to face the fear of rejection, the fear of no, the fear of failure, the fear of standing alone, the fear of being disliked, the fear of losing it all, then what else becomes possible for me? People will think you're crazy. You have nothing in your pocket, just lint, and you're talking about living your dream? They laugh, they doubt. But it takes courage, real courage. And hear me well.
I believe in revenge, the Frank Sinatra type. He said the best revenge is massive success. So don't kill them with kindness, torture them with success.